So good. Sa market.
아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 점생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이
Market.
아침에 일어나서 부은 너의 너무 아름다운 너희들로
Ulitin ko lang ulit yung vlog. So good afternoon guys. I think it's 2 p.m. today and I don't know what date today is. But today I'm gonna go to market and to meet my friend and to go to Robinson later because I'm gonna buy some things that I listed here, which is spread, snack, shampoo, container, bread, ball pen, and photo sticker washi tapes. Because if you didn't know, I'm starting to do a journal or scrapbook na. And I'm gonna show you yung mga iba kong nagawa dito na I can share it with you guys. So yeah, that's it lang naman gagawin ko today. Before anything else, I'm gonna fix my stuff and prepare my stuff na and I'm gonna go somewhere na. So yeah, guys, see you on the market vlog. And this will be the vlog number 2 of this channel because I make a new channel for my vlog kasi most of my family is watching my vlog, so I'm so overthinking. Nahiya ako na panoorin nila ako, pero that's good naman. I mean di naman bad yun na panoodin na ako, pero I'm just, parang nahiya lang ako na they see me vlogging, like I can express myself more kasi they're looking at me, guys. Joke lang, just kidding, but anyway. Hindi, wag na. Okay na. Nakaano ako. Hey vlog! Hello guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa market. Ano ba? Ayaw mo ba mapunta sa kasi ito, nangihinayang ako dun sa binili kong peanut butter kasi ang mahal yan. 70 pesos. 70 pesos. Siya. Yeah, pupunta lang kami dito kasi wala mag-vlog kasi ako kasi naiya ako mamaya mag-vlog. Pero yun, 70 pesos na peanut butter tas ang liit. Anyways, itao guys. Pero bibili akong shampoo. Bibili akong shampoo. Guys, kasama ko pala si Jazz. OA. Bibili na akong shampoo. Ano yung shampoo bibilin ko? Itong shampoo. Diyan nga muna.
Camera kayo.
Ano yung mabili? Sarili ko. Ito. Nabili ako nito. Ano to? 70 pesos. Tama lang ba? Maganda ba to? Kailangan akong ballpen. Para sa akin. Kailangan akong ballpen. Ang puti ko ngayong araw. Yeah. Ito sa akin to, tita. Kaya ako ito binili. Good morning guys. What time today is, but it's almost na pala 5:30 and I'm late to my volleyball training kasi it's supposed to be 5 a.m. and it's now 5:30. That's why I'm rushing na. By the way guys, I'm at BGC pala kasi doon yung school ko and na-late kasi ako nung gising. Tatakbo na ako. 1, 2, go. my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ito yung school ko guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Sige, tawid ka. Point time. Pagod. Pero this is the journal, the final outcome of the journal. Wait, this paper. I use this bond paper. This is from my brother's project, school project. So I reused it and paste it as I paste it as my background of this journal. It's this one. I made this one. Why I chose the cow prints because my surname is Cow. So I think it makes sense. If I wanted a journal that resembles me. Wow, resembles me. Anyways, eto, this picture. This is the highlight of the journal. Joke lang. Highlight of the project. I shot this from photo booth sa Molito. I forgot the anong photo booth yun, pero sa Molito to sa Alabang. And this one is I got this from the Uniqlo magazine. This one is from yung paper bag ng Zeus Coffee. Diba? Sobrang reuse talaga guys. So yun lang guys yung mga ginamit kong materials.